Two suspected terrorists linked with the Al-Qaeda Indian subcontinent and Ansarullah Bangla team terror groups were arrested by the Assam police in the Goalpara district on Saturday. The arrested persons have been identified as Abdus Subhan, Imam of Tinkunia Shantipur Mosque under Morinoi Police Station, and Jalaluddin Sheikh, Imam of Tilapara Natun Mosque under Matia Police Station in Goalpara, after they were grilled by the police for several hours. V.V. Rakesh Reddy, Superintendent of Police of Goalpara District, said that both the aforesaid persons were arrested after they were grilled for hours. We have gotten input in July this year from arrested Abbas Ali, who is also linked with jihadi elements. During the interrogation, we found that they were connected with Barpeta and Morigaon modules of AQIS/ABT in Assam, the SP said. During the house searches of the accused persons, a number of incriminating material related to the Al-Qaeda jihadi elements, posters, books, among other documents were seized, along with the mobile phones, SIM cards and ID cards, he added. The top Assam cop further said that the accused have also given logistics support to the jihadi terrorists who came here from Bangladesh. Further investigation is underway. Earlier, on July 28th, 11 persons were detained in a major crackdown in Assam for their alleged links with the global terror outfits, including AQIS and ABT.